Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of e-commerce KPIs, or key performance indicators. If you're new to managing an online store, understanding which metrics to track can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear beginner's list of essential KPIs for your e-commerce dashboard. These metrics will help you monitor your store's health, spot growth opportunities, and make smarter business decisions. Let's start by understanding what KPIs are and why they matter for your online business. KPIs, or key performance indicators, are measurable values that show how effectively your e-commerce business is achieving its objectives. Think of them as your business's vital signs. By tracking the right KPIs, you can quickly see what's working and what needs improvement. For beginners, focusing on a core set of KPIs helps you avoid information overload and keeps your attention on what truly matters for growth and profitability. Tracking KPIs is crucial for any e-commerce business. They provide actionable insights into your store's performance, help you identify trends, and allow you to make data-driven decisions. By regularly monitoring these indicators, you can quickly spot issues, optimize your strategies, and ensure your business is moving in the right direction. Let's look at the most important KPIs every beginner should include in their dashboard. The first and most obvious KPI is sales revenue. This metric tells you the total amount of money your store has generated from sales over a specific period. Tracking sales revenue helps you understand your overall business growth and whether your marketing efforts are paying off. It's the foundation for evaluating other KPIs and is often the first number business owners check each day. The number of orders is a straightforward but essential KPI. It shows how many purchases have been made in your store during a given time frame. Monitoring this metric helps you spot trends such as seasonal spikes or dips and can indicate the effectiveness of your promotions or campaigns. It's also useful for forecasting inventory and planning logistics. Average order value, or AOV, measures the average amount spent each time a customer places an order. To calculate it, divide your total revenue by the number of orders. A higher AOV means customers are buying more per transaction, which can boost your profitability. Tracking AOV helps you assess the impact of upselling and cross-selling strategies. Conversion rate is a critical KPI that shows the percentage of visitors who complete a purchase. It's calculated by dividing the number of orders by the total number of visitors, then multiplying by 100. A higher conversion rate indicates that your website and marketing are effectively turning visitors into customers. Monitoring this metric helps you identify areas for improvement in your sales funnel. Customer acquisition cost, or CAC, tells you how much you spend to acquire a new customer. It's calculated by dividing your total marketing and advertising expenses by the number of new customers gained. Keeping CAC low while increasing sales is a sign of efficient marketing. Tracking this KPI helps you optimize your marketing budget and strategies. Customer lifetime value, or CLV, estimates the total revenue you can expect from a single customer throughout their relationship with your store. A higher CLV means your customers are loyal and make repeat purchases. Tracking CLV helps you justify marketing investments and focus on long-term customer relationships. Cart abandonment rate measures the percentage of shoppers who add items to their cart but leave without completing the purchase. A high abandonment rate can signal issues with your checkout process, unexpected costs, or website usability. Monitoring this KPI helps you identify and fix barriers to completing sales. Understanding where your website visitors come from is vital. Traffic sources show whether your customers find you through search engines, social media, paid ads, or direct visits. By tracking this KPI, you can see which channels drive the most valuable traffic and adjust your marketing efforts accordingly. Website traffic measures the total number of visitors to your online store. This KPI gives you a sense of your store's reach and popularity. Tracking traffic over time helps you evaluate the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns and content strategies. It's also a leading indicator for potential sales growth. Bounce rate shows the percentage of visitors who leave your website after viewing only one page. A high bounce rate may indicate that your landing pages aren't engaging or relevant. By tracking this KPI, you can identify pages that need improvement to keep visitors exploring your site. Returning customer rate measures the percentage of customers who make more than one purchase. This KPI is a strong indicator of customer satisfaction and loyalty. A higher rate means your products and service are compelling enough to bring people back. It's a key metric for long-term business growth. Refund rate tracks the percentage of orders that are returned and refunded. A high refund rate can signal issues with product quality, descriptions, or customer expectations. Monitoring this KPI helps you identify and address problems that could hurt your reputation and profitability. Net Promoter Score, or NPS, is a customer satisfaction metric that measures how likely your customers are to recommend your store to others. It's usually gathered through surveys. A high NPS means your customers are happy and willing to spread the word, which can drive organic growth. Customer retention rate shows the percentage of customers who continue buying from your store over time. High retention means your business is building lasting relationships. This KPI is essential for understanding the effectiveness of your loyalty programs and customer service. Time on site measures how long visitors spend browsing your store. Longer sessions often indicate higher engagement and interest in your products. Tracking this KPI helps you understand which pages or content keep visitors engaged and where you might need to make improvements. Page views per session shows how many pages a visitor looks at during a single visit. More page views often mean visitors are interested in exploring your products and content. This KPI helps you gauge the effectiveness of your site navigation and content strategy. Tracking your top-selling products helps you understand what your customers love most. This KPI can guide your inventory decisions, marketing focus, and future product development. It's also useful for identifying trends and seasonal favorites. Inventory turnover rate measures how quickly you sell and replace your stock. A high turnover rate means products are selling fast, while a low rate could indicate overstocking or slow-moving items. Monitoring this KPI helps you optimize inventory management and reduce holding costs. Gross profit margin shows the percentage of revenue left after subtracting the cost of goods sold. This KPI helps you understand how efficiently your business is producing profit from sales. A healthy margin is crucial for covering operating expenses and achieving long-term success. Operating expenses include all the costs required to run your e-commerce business, such as rent, salaries, and utilities. Tracking this KPI helps you manage your budget and identify areas where you can cut costs to improve profitability. Profit per order measures how much profit you make from each sale after deducting all costs. This KPI helps you evaluate the effectiveness of your pricing strategy and cost control. Monitoring profit per order ensures your business remains sustainable as you grow. Shipping time tracks how long it takes for orders to reach your customers. Fast and reliable shipping improves customer satisfaction and can lead to more repeat business. Monitoring this KPI helps you identify bottlenecks and improve your fulfillment process. Order fulfillment rate measures the percentage of orders successfully delivered to customers without issues. A high rate means your operations are running smoothly, while a low rate could signal problems in your supply chain or logistics. Tracking this KPI ensures you maintain a positive customer experience. Customer support tickets track the number of inquiries or issues raised by customers. Monitoring this KPI helps you identify common problems, improve your service, and reduce friction in the buying process. A decrease in support tickets often signals better user experience. Knowing whether your customers shop more on mobile devices or desktop computers is important for optimizing your website. This KPI helps you tailor your site's design and user experience to match your audience's preferences, leading to higher conversions. Email open rate measures the percentage of recipients who open your marketing emails. This KPI helps you gauge the effectiveness of your subject lines and email campaigns. Improving your open rate can lead to more traffic and sales from your email marketing efforts. Click-through rate, or CTR, shows the percentage of email recipients who click on links within your emails. This KPI indicates how compelling your content and calls to action are. A higher CTR means your emails are driving more visitors to your store. Social media engagement tracks likes, shares, comments, and other interactions on your social platforms. This KPI helps you measure brand awareness and the effectiveness of your social campaigns. High engagement can lead to more traffic and potential customers. Return on investment, ROI for ad spend, measures how much revenue you generate for every dollar spent on advertising. This KPI helps you assess the profitability of your marketing campaigns and guides future budget allocation. Cost per click, or CPC, is the amount you pay each time someone clicks on your online ad. Tracking CPC helps you manage your advertising budget and evaluate the efficiency of your paid campaigns. Cost per acquisition, or CPA, measures how much you spend to acquire a paying customer through advertising. This KPI is crucial for understanding the true cost of your marketing efforts and ensuring your campaigns are profitable. Understanding why customers return products can help you improve your offerings and reduce future returns. Tracking this KPI allows you to spot patterns, such as sizing issues or product defects, and take corrective action. Stockout rate measures how often products are out of stock when customers want to buy them. High stockout rates can lead to lost sales and disappointed customers. Monitoring this KPI helps you improve inventory planning and avoid missed opportunities. Customer satisfaction score is typically gathered through surveys and reflects how happy your customers are with their experience. High satisfaction scores can lead to more referrals and repeat business, making this KPI vital for long-term growth. Churn rate measures the percentage of customers who stop buying from your store over a certain period. A high churn rate can indicate problems with your products, service, or customer experience. Reducing churn is key to building a loyal customer base. Knowing your customers' demographics such as age, gender, and location helps you tailor your marketing and product offerings. Tracking this KPI ensures your business stays relevant and meets the needs of your target audience. Traffic by device shows the breakdown of visitors by mobile, tablet, or desktop. This KPI helps you optimize your website's design and functionality for the devices your customers use most, improving their experience and increasing conversions. Checkout completion rate measures the percentage of customers who finish the checkout process after adding items to their cart. A low rate may indicate issues with your checkout flow, payment options, or unexpected costs. Improving this KPI can directly boost your sales. Site search usage tracks how often visitors use your website search function. High usage can indicate that customers are looking for specific products or information. Analyzing search data helps you improve site navigation and product discovery. Wishlist additions show how many times customers add products to their wish lists. This KPI can help you identify popular items and forecast future demand. It's also useful for planning, promotions, and restocking. Coupon usage rate measures how often customers use discount codes during checkout. Tracking this KPI helps you evaluate the effectiveness of your promotional campaigns and understand how discounts impact your sales and profit margins. To wrap up, tracking the right KPIs is essential for managing and growing your e-commerce business. Start with these beginner-friendly metrics to get a clear picture of your store's performance. As you become more comfortable, you can add advanced KPIs to your dashboard. Remember, consistent monitoring and analysis will help you make informed decisions and drive long-term success. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your e-commerce journey.